Fine. So we had looked at interfaces and we had seen how the interfaces they are used, right? How the class is used to implement the interface, and you can create the interface reference and equate it towards the object of the class. Fine. Now let's talk about identifying the stuff which is present on the page. Right. Now Selenium always works on the page source. If you have any web page, right, suppose I've got this web page, and if you look at the page source, then Selenium works on the page source. Okay. Now page source is made in a language known as HTML language. Many of you might be knowing about this HTML language, many of you might not be knowing. Okay, every website has this. Okay, you go to any website, every website has a page source. Just a minute. Yeah, so even CNN.com, if you go out here, you will have the page source. Now, knowledge of HTML language is important. Knowledge of HTML language is very, very important. This is because Selenium works on this. If you look at these tags over here, these are known as, first of all, these are known as tags. Okay, this is how do you see the page source? You right click on this and you'll see the option view page source. Okay, this is the coding through which the page is available to us. Okay, now in HTML language there are tags. This reddish maroon color, these are tags. For example, div is a tag, field set is a tag over here, li is a tag, right? So there are tags, and every tag has got some attributes. For example, this is the li tag and class is the attribute for it, right? This is the anchor tag a, right? Anchor tag a means a link, right? This is the tag for a link, and href and target are the attributes for this tag. Fine. So this is the tag, anchor tag, and these are the attributes. I hope I am making myself very clear. Right now, this is the span tag and this is the class which is an attribute. Now I would just a minute. I would really suggest you that you go to this site W3 Schools and you go to this site and you will have the HTML tutorial. Yeah, learn HTML. Right. So this is HTML4 and HTML5 tutorial. Okay. And in this, there are very good things over here. You can have a look at them. This will definitely help you out. Okay, right. Now, if you talk about Selenium, then Selenium works on tags, as I was saying. In every page source, there are some tags on basis of which Selenium works. Right. Now, every tag has certain attributes. Now, I'll just open a simple. I'll make a. Hold on. There used to be an Excel file, no, it's not there. Anyways, I'll make a new Excel file and I'll explain you. In this, you have something known as tag name, right? You have the object column. I'll make some objects tag name and mandatory attributes. Out of the attributes, some attributes are mandatory attributes and some attributes are optional attributes. Alright, so we will talk about the various web components which we see every day, and we will discuss about their tag name, attributes and all everything. Fine. Now what are the web components which we come across every day? We come across a text field, right? Then there is a radio button. Then we have got a checkbox. Then we have a normal button on the web page, right? Then we have link. We have drop list, right? Then we have got images on the page. Then we have got normal text on the page is also present, right? So these are the generic components which are present on any web page. Okay, these are the generic components which are present on the every web page. Now before I move forward, I will tell you how to analyze the web page. To analyze these components, you need to understand how these components are formed, what is their tag names and all in HTML before you actually move over to Selenium. Okay,